Excuse me. Hey, Carly. Carly. Hey. Who is this? Hey. No. Who's that?
Spencer, who's the guy on Eastbound and Down?
The actor is Danny McBride. But I don't know. I think his guy.
Hey, that goes on your mouth.
Friends have like the same like.
No.
Oh yeah.
Like this. Watch. Watch me.
Yeah, we all
You do it.
Like broke our neck and just that.
No. Don't lick it. No. Yuck. Who is that?
I wish we could play on like F
Carly.
That'd be so much fun.
Yeah, Dixie. We would play. We tried to play Dixie one year. Or when we first started, we were gonna play Dixie, and then we got there and there were a bunch of people up there. Actually, I think they had a few different games going, but they were playing across the field. So they played from like the end zone.
Who is that?
To the 30 was the field.
What?
5,
5, 6, 7. Spencer, what does she count?
Carly. Hey.
Hey.
Carly. Carly. 7, 8, 9. 1. She's putting her face in there.
I know.
Is that makeup?
Yeah.
She's gonna lick it.
I know. I don't care. I don't really mess with it. I don't really use it.
Yeah,
I just use the mirror.
Is it good for her to lick it?
Oh.
Not, it's gonna mess up your makeup.
She's not licking it. She's just putting her face on it. Hey. Carly Jane. 1. No, I'm TT.
Carly. 1.
Are you getting sleepy? You want to lay down, go night-night? Where's the baby? Put it back in my purse. Put it in my purse, please. It's time to clean up. What's the hat, huh? What? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss first. Give me a kiss. Oh, give me a kiss and then you can see the baby doll.